Hello. When it comes to maximizing shareholders' wealth, no other Indian company can come closer than Reliance Industries Limited. Reliance Industries Limited has become India's first company which has crossed $200 billion market capitalization. That means Reliance Industries Limited has taken over globally Germany's drug maker Pfizer and another German company SAP or SAP, and also China's largest insurer Ping An. The kind of phenomenal growth that the Reliance Industries has seen, particularly in the last 6 months, when the country has been grappling with COVID-related crisis, this Reliance Industries Limited has been coolly improving its wealth and becoming one of the darlings of investors around the globe. If you have invested 1 lakh rupee in 1993, your 1 lakh rupee would have become 77 lakhs by now. That means 1 lakh rupee investment in 1993 could have given you an annualized return of 17.6% over the past 27 years. No other company can come nearer to the phenomenal returns that the Reliance Industries has rewarded its shareholders. Not only that, if you look at the pace of growth of the market capitalization of Reliance Industries, it is mind-boggling. That too particularly in the past 6 months. When on March 23rd, when the Prime Minister has talked about lockdown and other things in this country, the share price of Reliance Industries was around 875 rupees, and from then on the share price has gone up to 2320 rupees as on today, a phenomenal increase of 163%, and shareholders could never be so happy than the COVID times. Not only that, see, look at the size of the company, the size of the market capitalization of Reliance Industries, which is led by Mukesh Ambani. See, the growth has been what we call got into acceleration mode when the Jio has started adding customers. Jio has now about 400 million customers in the country and is one of the most valuable telecom companies in our country. And during the COVID only, the Reliance Industries has mobilized about $160 billion of debt from around the world. These are a set of economics. But if you just want to what we call give a layman's idea about the size and the largeness of Reliance Industries, the market capitalization of Reliance Industries is bigger than the economies of New Zealand and Qatar. These are the two nations, so its market capitalization is bigger than the GDPs of New Zealand and Qatar. And if you look at our own Indian states, they just pale in insignificance. Even India's largest populous state like Uttar Pradesh State GDP is less than Reliance Industries market capitalization. Even the Maharashtra, which is the most industrialized state in our country, Reliance Industries market capitalization is half, 50% of Maharashtra's state GDP. These are the mind-boggling numbers, and definitely it is a darling of shareholders. And Reliance Industries just took 83 days to mobilize about $50 billion into its market capitalization, and it is the fourth largest gainer in percentage terms among the 100 global firms across the globe. So an investment in Reliance Industries had given you such a phenomenal increase. This oil to telecom company has seen really phenomenal growth in the past 6 months, and the investors are now in for a greater bounty coming to their favor in the days to come. So keep a watch on Reliance Industries Limited, a value buy by any standards.